Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's video is a collab with Fortok, and it is a bag unboxing. So without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so I was very excited about 10-15 minutes ago to receive a parcel that I've been waiting for quite some time. It is, as I just mentioned before, an unboxing with a brand that I've never collabed with before called Fortok, but I'm very excited to be doing this collab. The bag did arrive. I removed the plastic packaging with my address on, and I also removed this cardboard box, and as you can see, I'm now left with this box. This very nice, expensive looking box, might I add. So let me just see if that's a magnetic opening. It is a magnetic opening. I always mention this just so you know, in case you're thinking of gifting this to somebody, if you choose to go to the website yourself and check out their other items. I've checked it out. They've got lots of gorgeous bags and other items in addition to bags as well, as a matter of fact, wallets and other stuff, things like that. So when you open the bag up, you will be met with the obligatory receipts and paperwork, which I'll just pop to one side. There is also some really cute ribbon, which I really love because I actually repurpose these ribbons and wrap presents with them. Then there's a bit more plastic inside. There is a dust bag, and inside, can you guess what the bag is if I bring it out just a little bit? Ta-da! Some of you will already have recognised that this is the Pochette Metis in the pink. Now this actually has a name. I can't remember the name of the pink. I can't remember whether it's Rose Poudre or it's something like that. It's very French sounding. Anyway, let me just move this box out of the way so that I can give you a full review of this bag. Now, of course, you'll know if you've watched some of my other videos that I do have the authentic version of this bag. I have it in the monogram and also the reverse monogram, because the reverse monogram bag is featured on numerous of my videos, in particular one of my most recent videos, which was my most used bags, because that used to be one of my most used bags. Anyway, onto the review of this bag. I've got to say, this bag is gorgeous. I really love how it feels. Let me have a smell. I don't know what it is that I have about smelling bags. I just love the smell of new bags. Let me just remove some of this packaging off the handle. Yes, I have to say, I'm very pleased with this bag. I didn't know what to expect, because to have a bag like this all in pink, I wasn't really sure. And you know that I'm a lover of pink bags, because that's the premise of my entire channel, is that I love pink stuff, pink items. But this bag, the leather is so soft. It's just so cute. Oh, it's got the little... Oh, I just love it. I love it. So let's take a look inside. You know what I really like about this bag as well, which I think they've done really well, is the fact that they've actually embossed the lettering on the gold hardware, because some inauthentic brands, some brands that, oh, it's just started to not snow, hailstone outside. Anyway, I'm digressing. Yes, some people or some brands don't emboss, they kind of like etch. I don't know if you mean, but this is more authentic looking anyway, is basically what I'm trying to say. So let's open up inside. Oh, it looks so good inside. So inside there is a strap, so let me just remove that and rip the packaging off that too. So let's get all of that off. Here we go. So here is the strap, and it looks pretty much like my straps on my authentic bags. As you can see, there is the little clips there with the branding on them. I'm pretty sure mine look like that. I may actually do a comparison video with an authentic, with my authentic bags and this one, because just to see what they look like together. But yeah, it just feels really soft. I have to say, it feels a lot softer and more malleable than my authentic bags, but I don't know whether that's because they're made from canvas and this is obviously made up of something else, up of a different type of leather. Oh no, you did not. Okay, so I've just taken a look in the bag, and the bag actually also has a date code tag there. I don't know if that's where it is in the pink authentic version. I'm really not sure, because I'm trying to think if the date code's on where it is on my authentic ones. I'll have to look at another time, but I'm just sorry, I'm just trying to look inside at everything. So as you will know, that this bag has 3 compartments. There's a slip pocket at the back where you can put mirrors or maybe a card holder or something. Then you have this big huge space in the middle and another reasonably sized space at the front. And I think that this is the reason why this appeared in my most used bag video of 2025 and possibly even 2024, because this bag is so useful. It's a really decent size. It's not too big and cumbersome, so when you're carrying it, you can wear it crossbody if you choose to, or you can just use the handle. I have to say, I've never used the handle simply because I tend to put quite a lot of stuff in my bags, so I'm very nervous about damaging the handles, or you know, the handle becoming loose or something like that. So let me just attach this strap. So okay, I'm going to actually put this on crossbody so you can see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. She's so cute. I'm so pleased that, honestly, the shade of pink, my camera isn't doing this bag any justice. It's not showing you how gorgeous this shade of pink it is. It's a pale pink. I'd call it a baby pink, in fact. I don't know why I was thinking that this bag would come in, it would be a dusty pink, which wouldn't really go with my the rest of my bag. So I'm thinking, actually, I'm going to switch this bag out with my Louis Vuitton Capucine bag, because that's a slightly different shade of pink to all of my other pink bags. So I think I'm going to switch that out on my display. I'll probably do another video on that. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that video next or a comparison with my authentic bags, Pochette Metis bags. But yeah, she's gorgeous. She's fantastic. She's fabulous. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm still checking it out as I'm talking to you. You know what? I think in future I may actually unbox bags before unboxing them on camera, because I find myself studying the bag so much that I'm forgetting to actually speak to you about the bag. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the back. At the back it has a nice little slip pocket at the back too. So let me have a look inside. It has this gorgeous striped, pinstripe kind of design inside, which I think is really pretty. You don't get that in the monogram and the reverse monogram bag, so it's really nice to see something different. It is a completely different design bag, and I just love how it's embossed on the front as well. And I'm pleased that the way this bag has been embossed, I don't believe that this is going to be one of those bags like some of the other Louis Vuitton bags. I forget the name of some of the bags, but there's a particular bag that is embossed on the front, but it's quite puffy. And I know that after some years, the embossing slightly deteriorates the quality of it. It's not as sharp. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen to this bag. because I don't think it will, because it's a different type of bag, but it really is gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to definitely link in the description this bag on the site if you're interested in purchasing this bag. I'll also leave details of this bag in the comments. Oh, there's also the logo branding on the handle. I don't know if I showed you that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to hook you ladies up so that you can find out where you can get this bag, and perhaps look at other bags. Maybe this shade of bag isn't the shade for you. Maybe you prefer a different shade. Me personally, I am absolutely in love with this bag, and I will definitely 1000% be carrying it out for the summer months, because it is getting warmer. And as I've mentioned to you before in various videos, I really love wearing pink bags in the summertime. I just think that they look so pretty and girly, and I'm absolutely in love with this bag. So Fortok, thank you so much to reaching out to me for this collab. I'm so appreciative. I think this bag is absolutely fabulous. So thank you very much. And as for my subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you all for subscribing also. My subscriber count is just growing and growing and growing. I cannot say thank you enough. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, ta-ta for now.